Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me this afternoon. I have made this gorgeous big fat stuffed pocket, which is up for sale, and it is up for sale for £20 plus £3 postage. £3 postage in the UK, so £23 total, and it is stuffed with so many gorgeous goodies. So let me show you what's in this pocket. So it is one big huge pocket, and it is covered with gorgeous laces, appliques, ruffles. It has friend on there, and has a lovely little charm, and then it has this lovely cute dangle on here as well. That is just super cute. It has a little pocket on the front here, and then I have put a little booklet which has a bit of thread there, gorgeous flower, a lovely little girl, and there's some gorgeous coffee dye papers and book pages inside. So you've got a little booklet there, and inside of here, as you can see, it is so totally stuffed with things. So let me show you what's inside of this. I mean, even by itself, this pocket is just gorgeous. Look, that's the pocket by itself. So you could use it in a journal, or you could fill it up with goodies yourself and use the bits and pieces for journals. So let me show you what's inside. So we have some lovely fabric pieces that you can use for pockets and tuck spots, using lots of different laces and appliques. So I've put a couple of different sizes in there for you. So you have that one, and then you have another one which has gorgeous appliques and laces. So these are great for tuck spots, or just clipping on a page. And then there's a great big one here. No, this isn't the biggest. This is the medium sized one, which has dream on there, and it has these lovely lace and some fabric. And again, another tuck spot or a flip for your journal. And then this is the big one, which I would actually glue onto the page and have as a flip. And this one has love and has all of these lovely laces on here. And then inside here, I have put this lovely booklet, excuse me, which is stuffed with lots of goodies as well. It has this gorgeous tassel on here with a charm. I did have this shown by itself, but I thought it would be really cute in the bag. And this does come off, so you can use it on something else. This comes off. It has a lovely Tim Holtz on here, and it's on this lovely cardstock. And we have lots of little pockets and bits and pieces in here. So you've got a little pocket there. You've got lots of old ephemera and stamps in here, and flips and tuck spots. I mean, look at this little tuck spot here with some ephemera. And then you've got a little flip here with some writing space, one of my fabric tags, and some writing space underneath. And then just a little bit of ephemera there, a little flip here with some more writing space, a die cup. There's a lovely cute little pocket up here, and then a flip with some more ephemera and a little writing space. You've got a gorgeous little fabric flip there, some writing space that says love, and lovely Tim Holtz. Then we have a little booklet in here that comes out like in a little bag, and it's got coffee dyed papers, and we'll just pop that back in there like that. Then we have this gorgeous flip there, another flip here, another little tuck spot here, and then here this unties and unfolds. There's a big piece of paper there, and then another little tuck spot pocket here, some little bits of ephemera there, and then we have some more little bits here, and then one of my fabric tags with a little fun clip. So all of this goes inside of this lovely bag, so you can see all of the lovely goodies that you get here for £20. So there's lots of bits and pieces for your journals. Let me just move that up. So if you're interested in this stuffed gorgeous bag, then let me know. Please leave a comment below or email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com. And like I said, it's £20 plus £2 postage. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.